Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out a eyelash product called Lashify. Their packaging is like super fancy and nice. So I got the starter kit, which it comes in this box, and then you open the box. This was inside of here, but then if you take this out, they have these spaces that you can put your lashes. So cool. In the starter kit, it comes with a few things. These little covers for your applicator, a case, and then it comes with two sizes of lashes, small ones for the inner corner and then bigger ones for the outer corner. The applicator wand, this one's gold, it comes in different colors. And then it comes with glue stuff, which is called Wispy Light Flexible Bond. One side is white and one side is black. The black is stronger. And then it comes with glass, which makes your eyelashes waterproof. So that's what comes in the starter pack. Everything you need to do your eyes. So you put these little things on this. These are supposed to last like 7 days, the lashes. So now they look like this. Then also I got some more lashes. These ones are fuller, and these are the E14. It comes with, well, you get to pick between 3. Bold, amplify, and curl. I got the bold. So it comes with the B12, the bold. This is the small one for the inner corner. And then B14 for the outer and middle corner. I also got this, which is a bond also, and this is called Bondage. This is supposed to be like their super hold, and it looks like this. I want to test out all of it. So one eye I'm going to be using this bond, and the other eye I'm going to be using this bond to see which one works best for my eyes. First, it says to clean your eyelashes with cleaner and a spoolie brush. I have a mirror down here. As you can tell, and I've said in previous videos, I have no lashes. Okay, cleaned. Next step, apply light coat of the glue. Start at the base and then lightly come through. And then if you want extra hold, you put some of the clear stuff on the band of the lashes. So here we go. Ah, be scared. Do I pull my eye up? How do I know if I can get it on? You can't see it. Okay, I guess that's good. Now, it says not to put too much glue, because then they won't stick. I'm going to start with the inner corner, I guess. This is what the lashes look like. And I guess I'm going to put a little dab of the clear on the band. All the videos I've seen, they like put them on and they like instantly stick. There she goes. I'm gonna do 2 short ones. Oh, Also, it shows on here like which eye. It says left and right. I don't know. Can you see that? No. Okay, this is what it looks like so far, and it looks so good, and that was really easy. Okay, I'm excited. I hope they last a long time. Next, we're gonna do the longer ones. I think you're supposed to put a little dab if you're overlapping. This looks good. This looks good. The real test is to see if it lasts through my super watery eyes that constantly water. That looks so good. Okay, then it says to take your wand thing, put them over the lashes. Oh, I can't do this. I'm doing it the wrong way. And squeeze. Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna put a few of the bigger ones in just to add dimension. How do you stack? Let's do some research. Okay, research says you just reapply the bond and put more on. So reapply a little bit of the bond. And then apply your lashes. Stick, baby, stick, baby. Oh, she's thick. Ooh, I think that looks good. I'm gonna do one more small one. Ooh, she looking good. Okay, now we're gonna fuse it again. The video or the instructions say to go like this. Oh, there, now I did it. I was having a hard time the first time. Whoa, she looks good. You see her? You see her? She looks fancy. Honestly, it took like no time to do this. Okay, next says 2. The more you fuse, the longer the hold. Use your fuse wand for your morning and nighttime routine to reinforce the hold of your gossamer lashes. Okay, once your look is complete, finish by applying glass waterproof lash extender to the underneath of the top lashes to seal and remove any stickiness. I'm gonna fuse them one more time because we want extended wear with these puppies. Ow, don't break yourself in the eyeball. She is beauty, she is grace. Last steppy poo for this eye. Apply this. The glass. Okay, it says to use this tip piece at the base. I don't know if you're supposed to pick up your eyebrow or eyelashes, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. And then halfway or all the way through your lashes. And then she's done. She looks great. Honestly, probably my first application isn't going to be the best because I didn't know quite what I was doing. But just by doing this application, even if it lasts 2 days, super freaking easy. I'm shook. Now let's do the other eye. And we're going to be using this one for this eye. We're going to be doing the triple bondage for this eye. Take our bondage glue at the base and up and out, up and out, and up and out. Now we allow this to get tacky. Now we're going to take our bondage again and tap the bottom. At least that's what it says. Tap, 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 tap. Now we put on our gossamers. Okay. Now the long ones. Instantly touch hooks. Amazing. We're gonna add some more. Now we're gonna add some more. So I'm gonna tap some more glue on ya. Oh my goodness, it's so easy. Fuse, we go. A fuse and we will go. You know, you gotta have that mouth open to get the optimal eyelash technique down. Okay, then it says to apply one more coat of the bondage tapped at the bottom for the triple bondage effect. Okay, let it dry and adorable. I did this one better, but it was my second one, so I already had some knowledge. Fuse again for the 100th time. And the glass. Final step. And you're done. Oh my lanta, my lashes look amazing. Oh. Bong. That light mirror focus. Spotlight. Spotlight on the lashes. Oh yeah. Okay. So, just by applying them, shut up, furnace. Just by applying them, I already highly recommend them. They're amazing. They're like extremely easy to put on. I've put on strip lashes before. I put on clusters like this with like other glue on before. I've done individual lashes before. And these are by far the easiest I've ever applied. They like instantly stick, which is the easiness and the amazingness of it. And they look amazing. I'm shook. I like them. I love them. I love my lashes done. Once you get your lashes done, it's like I need my lashes done all the time because then you always look like you are put together, even if you aren't. So I'm going to see which eye lasts longer, if the triple bondage works better for my eye. They both were easy to put on. I'll do a little check-in to see how long they last. I'm very excited. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the check-in and the next video. Bye! Boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Okay, bye. Day 4 eyelash check-in. This is the bondage glue. It's holding in pretty strong. I just lost 2 lashes in the front of the regular glue, so it's lasted me 4 days, which is pretty good for my first time, I think. So that's it for the update. I really like the product and I love my eyelashes. Bye.
Oh, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.